Hey everyone, Lenny Bonds here from One Tech Stop, and this is my review of the Olixar Ultra Tough Curved Tempered Glass Screen Protector. I have never had success, and I don't know if anyone else had the same issue I had, but with the curved glass on the Samsung devices, as well as, my old Lumia devices that I would use with the curved glass, a screen protector, a tempered glass screen protector would never be feasible. The touch sensitivity would be gone, or it wouldn't stick right around the edges, and a lot of dust would accumulate on the sides. It wasn't case friendly. I would put a case on and it would actually push against the screen protector and lift it up, which would cause more dust to get in. But I have to say, I'm pleasantly surprised so far with the Olixar Curved Tempered Glass Screen Protector. And here is my S9 Plus. Now, as you can see, I have the screen protector on. It has black borders here for the iris scanner. All the cutouts are there. And there's a black border at the bottom, which matches the black border on the Samsung S9 Plus. It stops right before the black borders on both ends. I don't know if you could see that, but this is where the lip of the screen protector is, on both ends of the device. What I'm happy to mention is that the touch sensitivity is there, so I have no issues hitting anything, scrolling up and down, going back, hitting my buttons, closing all. And I have to say I'm pleasantly surprised because I have not had this experience with a tempered glass screen protector on a curved screen. So I'm going to give you a link. I highly recommend it if you want a tempered glass screen protector for the S9 or the S9 Plus. It's the Olixar brand. You could get it from Mobile Fun or you could get it from Amazon.com, and we will post a link at the bottom of this video. I hope this is helpful for those that want to protect the screen on these devices that we spend so much money on. This is Lenny signing off from One Tech Stop. Thank you.